Hiya, today I'd like to show you how I made this really pretty tag. I've fallen in love with the embossed effects. Pretty, isn't it? Most of my video will be silent, simply because there's always background noise. I can barely ever hear myself in my house, and I'm very lucky to get this moment. Just giving you a little example of the noise in my house. My tag is 6 centimeters by 11. This is the metal die that I shall cut. Just move that one. I'm using 250 GSM card for front and back. Quite a crank when it goes through. Here's my little tag. Separate tag, and now I have the two that I need. One's going to be going into my embossed folder, and I shall do that now. My embossed folder is this pretty little butterfly one. What you want to do is make sure you place your tag up front, back, look at the pattern, and then to the front. Lay that wherever you want. Now I want that butterfly. See the butterfly? That's what I want on my tag. So I'm going to place that in the corner. And there. For mine, it's never quite enough without the card. I just use an extra piece of card on mine. Run it through the folder. Never forget when I first saw them coming out, I was amazed. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Let's stick the front and the back together simply by using some of this. Run it along. Don't hold too close to the edge because you don't want that sticky residue to clean up afterwards. But put enough on. So there. Add dirt. Get your one in place. Simply along like this. Give it a good rub along. Like so. Make sure they're lined up properly. Stick down quite tough. So, you could just do this a bit. There you go. Looking like one piece of card. For my flower, I use this gold pearlescent card. It's actually quite thin paper. And just stick it to a piece of card and stiffen it up for yourself. I've made a separate video to show how you can make your own card. I'm going to cut around it. Just like so. And run it through my machine. So this pearlescent paper comes in many colours. It's so pretty as well. Look, right. Now as you can see for mine, I don't want it overlapping the tag. So I'm going to cut the bottom off. Just like that. And there we go. I use this really pretty double-sided pink card. I make it especially for my butterflies. As you can see, it's been mirrored. Very good for your butterflies, and you can make them in many different colours. Simply rotate your colours in your art programme. Stick your 3 butterflies together by tearing them. I do use my sticky tape, but you can use glue, it just takes a little longer to dry. Just a few drops of glue to stick your flower down. I'm using these pretty little self-adhesive pearls, but you can actually use any other gem. I create all my little sayings in my art programme and I save them to file ready to print for when I need. It's so much easier. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.